Okay, this video is for 6.5 day 2, number 1. We have to solve, and we have this base and exponent. And so when you have a fraction exponent, you want to isolate it, which is already is, and then you're going to cancel it out by raising it to the reciprocal power. So we're going to raise both sides to the 3/2 power. And so what really happens here is it'll cancel it out. You get 6 over 6, but that just reduces to 1. Okay, so basically we have x plus 5 to the first equals 4 to the 3/2 power. Okay, and then to the first power is really just going to be x plus 5. So that side cleans up nice and pretty to x plus 5. Okay, on the other side, you want to be kind of careful because you might get two answers, right? Basically, if this bottom number is if this bottom number is even, the root number, you'll get 2. So what I mean by that is if I switch forms here, I'll have a square root of 4 and a power of 3. Okay, and then when you do root 4, that's both plus and minus 2. So then from there, I want to cube positive 2 and cube negative 2. And so you get plus or minus 8. So now this expression can either be positive or negative 8. So I'm going to split it into two equations, like x plus 5 equals 8 and x plus 5 equals negative 8. And that's where we get our two answers. Minus 5 here gives us 3. Minus 5 here, 8. Negative 8 minus 5, negative 13. And so those are our two answers of 3 and negative 13. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.